baby girl, 'cause I need to know.
Here with me.